How to fix Steam fatal error. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Steam fatal error. Now, without any further ado, let's move forward. You need to open up Steam app, and once you're here, you need to right click on the Steam option over here. From here, you need to head to your settings, and from here you need to click on downloads. Now that you are here, you need to scroll down and then you need to click on clear download cache. Go ahead and click on clear cache. Before clearing cache, you need to ensure that you know the username and password of your account, and once you confirm it, this might help you resolve the issue. But if it is not, you need to go ahead and press Windows R in order to open the run command box. From here, you need to enter percentage app data percentage. Once you do that, you need to click on OK. From here, we need to simply go ahead and find Steam. But if you cannot find the Steam over here, we need to right click on our taskbar, and from here we need to head on to Task Manager. Now that you're in the Task Manager, you need to go ahead and find Steam, and once you find it, you need to right click on it, and from here you need to click on End Task. And sometimes this might also help you resolve the issue. And that's it for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.